Water damage can strike unexpectedly, causing significant losses to businesses and property owners. Immediate and effective restoration is crucial to minimize these impacts. At TDS Asia, we specialize in comprehensive water damage restoration services. With over 200 man-years of technical experience, our experts are equipped to handle even the most challenging water damage scenarios. Our process begins with a detailed assessment to evaluate the extent of damage. We then focus on advanced drying and dehumidification techniques to restore affected areas efficiently, preventing further deterioration. TDS Asia employs advanced drying techniques using desiccant dehumidifiers from Briair and high-velocity air blowers. These tools accelerate the drying process, ensuring that all affected materials are restored quickly and efficiently. Our drying and moisture removal services help to dry and preserve a wide range of assets, including electromechanical equipment, structural components, valuable documents, art, and antiques. The goal is to return your property to its original functionality with minimal disruption. Partnering with TDS Asia means reducing reconstruction costs, minimizing business interruptions, and increasing the salvage value of damaged products. We work diligently to ensure that your property is restored as quickly as possible. Trust TDS Asia for all your water damage restoration needs. With our expertise in advanced technology, we ensure that your property is in safe hands. TDS Asia collaborates with most surveyors and insurance companies to provide seamless water damage restoration solutions. Trust us to safeguard your assets and minimize losses. Contact TDS Asia today to learn more about our comprehensive services.